let's do the step test now. So you bring it down to step test. Step test is going to put a 4 to 20 milliamp signal in and compare to the position of the valve and give you test results. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. Starting at 4 milliamp, you just press the up arrow button again, and step test is in progress. Starting at 4, go 8, 12, 16, and 20, and back down. And in the meantime, it's also checking the valve positioner and recording those values through heart. Okay, once I finish the tests, again, it allows you to save those results to memory, gives you a reading whether or not it passed the test according to your specifications. Go ahead and save it, and then you're ready to go ahead again and upload that data to your ValveTrack software.